The Ice Ages are usually portrayed in films as these periods of doom and gloom where every living thing is hanging on by a thread and can die at any second. But is this really the case? An analysis of most ice ages shows that they may have in fact played a critical role in advancing life, not destroying it. Some films and shallowly researched documentaries also fail to accurately identify the correct causes of an ice age. Here are some of the most common fallacies about ice ages that you will no doubt come across online. 1. Ice ages are triggered by changes in the location of the Sun in the Milky Way galaxy. It is theorized by some that harsh climatic conditions are definite at certain points in the galactic orbit, including ice ages. The Sun, and of course the Earth and other planets, take at least 277 million years to orbit the galaxy. This means we are not even back to where the Earth once was when the dinosaurs' reign ended 66 million years ago. Although the location of the Sun and the Milky Way can have some impact on Earth's climate, there is, however, no evidence that suggests these climatic changes can be severe enough to cause an ice age. In fact, there is no evidence that any of the 5 ice ages recorded in Earth's history have been caused by the movement of the Sun through the Milky Way. The only known climatic impact of the movement of the Sun through the galaxy is increased cloud formation at some points in the Sun's elliptical orbit, which can lead to cooler temperatures on Earth. 2. Ice ages automatically lead to mass extinction events. This is among the most popular fallacies about ice ages, although some ice ages have led to mass extinction events, especially of marine life. This is not always the case with each and every ice age that has been recorded on the planet. The first ice age, which occurred 2.4 billion years ago, is believed to have played a critical role in the evolution of early organisms. The second ice age that occurred 720 million years ago is also believed to have played a critical role in the evolution of new species, leading to most of the diversity in place today. The third ice age, occurring 360 million years ago, is the only one believed to have led to one of the most severe mass extinction events that wiped out 85% of all marine life. The fourth and fifth ice ages had no profound impact on animal and plant diversity, although they did lead to some extinctions. So ice ages don't necessarily mean doom and darkness, as most people would have you believe. 3. During an ice age, ice covers the entire ocean and all water sources on Earth. This is, of course, not true. Of all the 5 ice ages, ice has never covered the entire ocean, or even most of the water bodies on land. In reality, the glacial ice sheets found in the polar regions of the Earth simply increase in volume and may reach land surfaces that are closer to them. Rarely do these sheets reach anywhere near the equator, except for the first ice age that took place 2.4 billion years ago, when ice sheets are believed to have been significantly close to the equator. In most other ice ages, only polar regions were heavily impacted. The third ice age was the most impactful on life, not because ice covered most of the planet, but because of the impact it has on global temperatures and sea levels. In fact, currently we are at an ice age due to the large glaciers on each pole. The total mass of ice is, however, too little to have a major impact on life. 4. An ice age will most certainly take place in the future. This is also false, as there is no guarantee that an ice age will take place in the Earth's foreseeable future. Although global cooling and an ice age may result from changes in Earth's elliptical orbit around the Sun, the levels of carbon gases in the universe are high and rising, meaning they can counteract the impact of a change in orbit by simply enabling the Earth to trap more heat. Industrial activity also means the Earth's carbon gas concentration is unlikely to reduce in the future, which significantly reduces the likelihood of an ice age no matter the cause. Carbon gases trap atmospheric heat, making it harder for global temperatures to plummet. While this can prevent an ice age, it has other equally negative impacts on life that you've most likely heard about. So unless humans totally eliminate carbon fuels, as has been planned for decades, they will most likely never see another ice age. So global cooling and an ice age are not as disastrous as they are made to sound. For most of the 5 ice ages that have taken place in Earth's history, the majority of both marine and terrestrial life was safe, except of course for the third one that almost ended all marine life. Today, increased industrial activity and the resulting carbon pollution ensure Earth's temperatures remain high and rising, effectively eliminating the likelihood of an ice age. This, however, creates other dangers that we most certainly have heard about. But just so you know, you will most likely survive an ice age if one were to happen in the near future. If you like this content, Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel.